Hello everyone, welcome to notenglish.com, and it's me, Not. Today I'm going to recommend the movie. Actually, it is a series. The series that you need to watch. Or you don't need to, but I think it's pretty good for you guys to learn English. And this website I am very recommend. It is iflix.com, which it has so many series and movie that you can learn whatever kind of series, drama, action, comedy, any kind you want to and you like. You can go to this website and get anything, any kind of series you want to watch. And it's good for you to learn English from the series. The reason is I will show you the example of this. This one we call, Two Broke Girls. And you are going to understand why I am recommending you to learn English from Siri. First, it is series. It has like common conversation.
Stop looking at my boot.
The second, it has Thai subtitles.
Waitress.
See?
Hi, what can I get you?
We need some.
They are talking and it has subtitle, Thai subtitle,
Obnoxious and rude?
which is pretty good
Do
for
you find it distracting
the
if something's
beginner
up to you
that
while
want to
you're
learn
working?
English
You don't have
but
a
don't
job
know
site.
like what they are saying.
Damn, dude, she
So
burned you.
it has subtitle,
No.
so you beginners can
Do not think
understand
we're on the same team. We have
what
nothing in common.
they
I
are
wear
saying
knit hats when
and
it's
can
cold
learn
out.
from
You wear
can
knit hats 'cause
really
it's cold play.
learn from them a lot.
You have tattoos to piss off your dad. My dad doesn't know
And
he's my
for
dad.
the
And finally,
learner that
you think
have got more experienced, you guys can put it in English subtitles
this is the sound
and
that gets you
learn the
service?
pattern
I think
of the sentence
this is
like this,
the sound that dries up my vagina.
and it can help you easily
Just
understand
disappeared. The Russian one? We need
what
horseradish.
they are saying,
Please.
which is good
Ladies, this
for
is how you treat a
both
waitress.
beginner and intermediate learners.
Paulina! Oh, so good. Oh.
And it's pretty good because why I recommend this website, even though they have got so many websites that has series with subtitle. Number one, this website has two languages of subtitle, so you can change easily like this. The other websites that I have been to, there is only one subtitle, and mostly it is Thai subtitle, which I don't like because there's no English subtitle, so it's very difficult to change from Thai to English to learn from the series. So I think this one helped me solve that problem. It helped me, learn English easier. So I recommend this website. And you guys, actually this website is, you guys need to pay money to access to this website, but it has a trial. Like you guys can get free access after registering to this website for 30 days. you guys can have free access for 30 days watching a whole series and movies that you like. So I really recommend this website, and I hope you guys can learn English a lot from this website and from the way that I tell you. Remember, if you don't have fun, if you don't feel like to learn the languages, it is difficult for you to get a lot from learning language because you are going to get slowly improvement. So I recommend this website, and I hope to see you guys soon. And this is notenglish.com. I want you to become a great English speaker. Bye bye.